Did you know Japan had a secret unit that turned farm animals into weapons of mass death? While most people know about Unit 731's horrific medical experiments, Japan's Unit 100 was doing something equally terrifying. From 1937 to 1945, this biological warfare unit was led by veterinarian Yujiro Wakamatsu, who had a twisted vision of how to kill Chinese civilians. They would deliberately infect cattle and horses with deadly diseases like anthrax and glanders, then release these diseased animals into Chinese villages. The infections would jump to humans, causing agonizing deaths across entire communities. But it got worse. Unit 100 developed plague-infected fleas and dropped them from aircraft over Chinese cities. Thousands of civilians died from these biological bombing raids. They forced prisoners to handle infected livestock just to document how animal diseases killed humans. The unit meticulously recorded every horrific detail as people died from their biological weapons. After Japan surrendered, the United States secretly gave Unit 100 immunity in exchange for their research data. This knowledge helped America build its own biological weapons program during the Cold War.